Hello everyone. So today I am back in my hometown and I really wanted to do this one project for a long time. Now I am even more pumped to do it because I am trying to declutter and sort my life. I hope you have all guessed it, but today I want to declutter my closet. And I want to give you a before shot. I know it looks bad. Basically, all of these are my very old clothes. Most of them, like 90% of them, I don't even wear anymore. The next one. This is the blazer from my college days, so it is almost 6 years old now. And then there is some old dresses. This is my husband's blazer from his college days, and yeah, my drafter and things like that. There's that. The third one. So these two are okay. What we want to tackle is this area here. So here are just some messy memorable things like the invitation card for our wedding, things like that. Those we actually cannot throw out, but we need to sort them in this place. Let's get to it. So here are the warriors for today. What I think we should do is that we will apply the Marie Kondo method. I know he has no idea about Marie Kondo method. For the sake of him, I'm going to say it here. Marie Kondo is a person who invented this really cool method of decluttering. So first we are going to deposit everything that we have on this bed. Then we are going to pick each item and we are going to think, does this item bring joy to my life? Am I ever going to wear this? If the answer is no, we should discard that. If the answer is yes, we should pile it and then keep it here in the closet. And before discarding the item, you should hug that item and you should say thank you to the item for their service in your life. So that is a really good way of letting the item go. I have attachment with everything that I have ever looked at. It is hard for me to let go, but I think I can do it today. I am ready. So let's get to it. In these items, maximum of them are Indian clothes, and the problem is that he is a very low maintenance guy. He usually will have like one t-shirt and one pant and he's ready to go everywhere. These are so good quality stuff and people have gifted them and they are like so good. We do not think that we can throw them out. They are very dear to our heart. So I don't know, Marie Kondo, if you are watching this, please help. Okay, so little update. We have sorted most of the items. This many items till now we have thrown away. I think it is going to look better. I am going to keep most of my good Indian material because firstly those are costly and secondly they still look nice, and if I need to go to any Indian function I can easily wear them and I know I will wear them. They were an investment and they are in good condition, so I'm going to keep most of my Indian clothes. We have sorted out all of our clothes. Now I am going to just segregate them into categories like casual Indian wear and occasional Indian wear, and then things to wear at home, and then some good sets, everything. So I'm going to separate them. So this section is going to be for me as usual, the bigger one for the woman, and this one is all for Saurav. And honestly I think I'm giving a lot of space. So this one is for miscellaneous items. We will tackle that one later. We will try to segregate each item and then put it into our closet. Those are the pile that we are not taking. So the last drawer over there, that is the one thing that we are yet to filter out. So we are done. So just to give you an idea, we started when it was like 7:40 to 7:45 and now it is 11:15. Yeah, so that much hours took us to clear the complete cupboard, complete closet. Yeah, also sort out all the electronic items, bills, papers, etc. Everything, like we did the whole thing. See, everything is cleared in my bed right now. Let me give you an idea of how the closet looks right now. So like I said, here we will keep our laptop bag and then our DSLR bag, everything, and then these two bags are something that I came here with. So this bag you might recognize from my travel bag and what I keep in my travel bag video. And in here we have all the miscellaneous items. These two caps are what we usually wear when we go outside. These are the items that I wear inside the house. This pile is the items that I can wear when someone is visiting in the house. This pile here is something that I can wear when I'm going to a friend's house, or I'm just going to the market or whatever. So yeah, I know I don't look really good right now but I hope you have enjoyed this session, and because I was slogging I didn't really feel like dressing up for it. But yeah, that's my slogging look, and I hope you really enjoyed this session. I usually do enjoy these decluttering things very much, and I thought that since I'm doing it I should share, because there might be people like me outside who like to watch these things. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and best of luck with your decluttering. And please if you declutter your space, do send me before and after picture. I would love to see those. So yeah, see you in another video. Until then, dream on. Bye.